It's your boy G back with another video, man. Right now, me and the wifey on the way to the stores. Tell them what's up, baby. On the way to the stores where the cutler's at. I got some more swap parts and stuff that I need to go drop off at the stores, man. So that's what we about to go. That's what we about to do. So when I get up there, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over everything that I got. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna be able to put my damn motor stand together right now because I ain't got no tools on me. You know what I mean? Gotta run around and do with the wife after I leave from up here. But we'll get back on it tomorrow. I'm gonna make another video tomorrow, and it'll be me putting together my motor stand, putting the motor on the stand, taking all the stuff off the motor, getting it ready to go with the new parts and put it in. You know what I mean? I'm off for the next 4 days, so that's what we're finna do, man. Y'all tap in. My car live in a gated community, y'all. Dude, pulling up to the store. Tried the wife here. Camera good. Yeah.
I need to clean up it.
Alright, so I'm gonna take my parts in here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get everything together first.
You sitting them on the shelf?
Huh?
You gonna sit them on the shelf or in the car?
What?
The parts.
Oh, yeah. I might bring this stuff up over. I need to get this one cleaned up. Nah, I ain't bring them shits in here, so I ain't taking out there.
Yeah.
Too clean for this shit. I need to get packed. Alright, I'm just gonna show y'all right now what I got, and what I got in there already, I'll show y'all that. But I got my drive-by cable, wire harness. It's just some Amazon, you know what I mean? I got my ECM, Source ECM computer. I got the they card, man, just in case, man. Source ECM. Y'all want that, man. I got. Come here, baby. I got my low profile oil pan. I think this is just an Amazon little shit too. Lab work, by lab work. It's first time using them, so I don't know, y'all. Let me start putting some of this stuff in.
What was in this box?
That's my engine stand.
Oh.
And this to my damn work van right here. So I gotta get this out of here today because I'm selling that tomorrow. Matter of fact, that can fit in your trunk.
You was not putting in.
Come here, baby. Alright, so when my last video, I had to stop it. Did they get that video? Or that was a live?
What?
When I had to stop after we took all the shit out.
I don't know.
Anyway, I got the motor, the lift for the 307 that's in there. I mean, that's 5.0. It is a 5.0. And I got my drive-by cable throttle body, the 92 millimeter. Let me show y'all this thing here crispy though. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Room. Ah! You know what I mean? Got that joint. I got something else I want to show y'all because I need an opinion about this in the comment. All right. So as y'all see, I got the 3-bolt. I got the 3-bolt one. throttle body on there. So what I did is, that's if I go back with the same one though, because I do want the LS1 intake to go on there. So if I don't get that, I got the ICT billet plate to take it from 3 to 4 bolt, because that new throttle body is a 4 bolt. So I bought this just in case I can't find the LS1 intake. Y'all know I got the Cutlass keys, you know what I'm saying? But what's important is the LS lift plate. So I bought this so I could put it on the engine stand. I know I ain't have to do that, you know what I'm saying? Or I bought it for it to put in the car, you know, when it's time to put it in the car. So that's what I got this for. And I'm gonna show y'all some more goodies. You can close that, buddy. You see this right here too. That's for that. And this go with this engine stand. You want to step around that stuff?
Go.
Y'all see my TV? I got a TV for the shop, man. You know what I'm saying? This is my motherfucking shop.
Give me it.
Well, I got my Palmetto State chair in there.
I know this.
This is for sale. If you want that, you could get it a little as $20. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I got my PTFE. My PTFE A-line fittings. That's for my gas, my fuel system. Oh, one of my motor mounts right here. I'm gonna put that back with the other one. But I have something special going for this. So if I go back with this intake, I am gonna do something special to this. So I ain't really got my mind made. Well, that's if I can find the thing. If I can't find the LS1, like I said, I'm going back with that one. I'm gonna do something special to this. That's an extra one of them. Alright. Just to run the 700. I think it's 700 or 400 in there. So this is the flex plate that I'm going with. ATP 270. ATP Z270. That's the part number for this one right here. That's for like a 6.0 or something like that. Alright.
I thought you showed him that.
Nah, I ain't never dropped that video. Yeah, of course y'all know I got my motor mount. That was the first thing that came. I got these motor mounts, but I'm also gonna get the bottom motor mounts too. The billet ones. I think they billet. But my whole fuel system, you know, I got the lines over there. Got the Evil Energy, I think it's the pump. No, it's the filter. This is the pump right here. This is the Corvette pump. Yep. Yep. Evil Energy, man. Evil Energy. What's this doing in here? This for my goddamn, I think at the house, for my microphone. Got me a whole new fuel sending unit, brand new. And I also got me a gas tank. I ain't going back with that old gas tank. I'm not playing that, you know what I'm saying? I'm not doing it. But that's what I got for plus my motor, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'll be back, baby. I will be back. You wanna take a look inside my car? You want to take a look in there? Do you want to take a look in there?
Me?
You in there. Y'all see what's going on. That baby's still looking good. Still looking good. You know what I mean? I got to do this headliner in here, though. That's about it. And once everything, I get it up and running and shit, I'm taking these seats out. I'm taking these seats out right here. The front two. And I'm going with the bucket seats. Yeah, the bench seat gotta go. Dang, man, my shoes done got messed up. They feel slippery. All right, here we go. It's like been on?
I cut it on.
All right, man, that's gonna be it. Y'all see I got the 5.3 right here. Look like it got a new water pump on it already, and I was about to buy a new water pump. So I ain't gotta do that. Thank God. That shit $87. But yeah, man, that's gonna be it, dog. Let's see what we doing, man. 84 Cutlass. You know what I mean? It's soon to be coming up out of here. You know what I'm saying? And when it come up out of here, it will be driven. But that's it, man. Your boy G, man. Tune in to the next one, which will be tomorrow for sure. Yep. Huh? Oh, really? Oh, no wonder y'all acting like. Say something.
Post me on your YouTube.
Yep. I just bagged her, y'all.
What?
I said I just bagged her.
Oh, I wonder if they got the Coke copy.
All right, y'all. I tune back in a minute. Say?
Nobody's gonna snatch my bag.
Let me see your bag. You want to take a picture, baby?